Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explore 10 free AI tools to earn money from home. We're diving deep into the world of AI, artificial intelligence. We'll break down 10 free AI tools that require zero coding knowledge. Whether you're a creative, a freelancer, or just curious, this video is for you. Let's get into it. First up, we have Perplexity. Think of it like Google search on steroids. It understands complex questions and provides direct, sourced answers. Offer research services to businesses, bloggers, or YouTubers. Use Perplexity to fuel your content creation. Gather information for articles, scripts, social media posts, you name it. Dive into data analysis with Orange Data Mining. Drag and drop flowcharts and interactive dashboards, no coding needed. Import data, build visual workflows, and interpret results easily. Offer freelance services to help businesses with their data, or create and sell online courses on Orange Data Mining. In today's digital world, visual content is king. Canva makes creating stunning visuals easy, even with zero design experience. Canva's free plan is powerful. Access tons of templates, stock photos, and design elements. Offer social media management services with eye-catching graphics. Design professional presentations, pitch decks, or ebooks. Canva makes you a one-person design powerhouse. Let's talk about Adobe Firefly, Adobe's AI-powered image generation tool. Create photorealistic images and expand borders with mind-blowing accuracy. Generative Expand fills in missing areas, making photos look complete. Offer unique visuals for websites, social media, or print materials. The possibilities and earning potential are endless. Ever struggled to come up with the perfect name for a business, project, or product? It's a struggle, right? Say hello to Namlix, your new AI-powered naming assistant. Namlix generates catchy and relevant brand names based on your keywords and industry. It also checks domain availability for the perfect name and URL combo. A logo is the face of any brand, but hiring a designer can be expensive. Enter Fiverr Logo Maker, an AI-powered tool that lets you create professional-looking logos in minutes, completely free. Simply answer a few questions about your brand and style preferences, and Fiverr's AI will generate a variety of logo options to choose from. This is a fantastic opportunity to offer logo design services on platforms like Fiverr. How fitting! Have you ever wished you could create your own music even without musical training? Well, guess what? Now you can, with SoundRaw. This AI-powered music generator lets you create royalty-free tracks simply by typing in a text prompt. Want a chill lo-fi beat for your vlog? No problem. Here's how to monetize this. Create and sell your AI-generated tracks on platforms like Pond5 or Audio Jungle. You could even offer custom music composition services to content creators or businesses looking for unique background music. Building a website can feel overwhelming, but Reloom is here to change that. This AI-powered website builder takes your ideas and turns them into stunning websites in minutes. Just answer a few questions about your website's purpose and desired features, and Reloom will generate a custom sitemap, wireframe, and even suggest relevant content. Imagine using Reloom to impress potential clients with mock-ups of their dream websites. In the world of online shopping, finding the best deals can feel like a full-time job. But that's where Vetted comes in, your AI-powered shopping assistant. Vetted scours the web to find the best prices on the products you're looking for and provides detailed product recommendations based on user reviews and expert opinions. Think about offering competitive intelligence reports to businesses. So there you have it, 10 free AI tools that have the potential to transform the way you work and earn. From research and design to music composition and website building, AI is opening up a world of possibilities for everyone. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use these tools. They're designed to be accessible and intuitive, empowering anyone with an internet connection to harness the power of AI. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. We've just scratched the surface of what's possible with these free AI tools. This tech is evolving so quickly, who knows what we'll be able to do a year from now. Don't be intimidated by AI. These tools are meant to make your life easier and more efficient. Experiment, have fun, and see what awesome things you can create. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos.